Education enables us to explore the best horizon of knowledge, foster creativity, and develop critical thinking skills. It helps us to understand the world around us and equip us to make informed decisions. On an individual level, education is a powerful tool that opens doors to opportunity. It provides
တီမီယူဆက်ချက်ကိုအင်္ဂလိပ်လိုအချင်းတူအထိပြောသွားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone, honorable guests, parents, respected teacher, and my dear friend. My name is Chani Along. I am a student of Gleb 11. My parents are Muhammad Yunus and Do Ferduz Bahar. My permanent address is Minshonze, Mazipra, Butidan Township, Arkan State in Myanmar. I live in Jamtali, Camp 15, Balok GA. Today, I have the privilege to speak on a topic that holds immense significance for individual, society, and the world at large, the importance of education. Education is often referred to as key to success, but it in fact goes far beyond personal achievement. It is the foundation upon which civilization thrives, society prospers, and individual grow into responsible, empowered, and compassionate beings. At its core, education is about more than just gaining knowledge from book or classroom. It is a lifelong journey of learning, understanding, and personal growth. Education enables us to explore the best horizon of knowledge, foster creativity, and develop critical thinking skills. It helps us to understand the world around us and equip us to make informed decisions. On an individual level, education is a powerful tool that opens doors to opportunity. It provides the skill and knowledge needed to secure a livelihood, pursue our dream, and achieve our personal goal. An educated person has the confidence to face challenges, adapt to change, and contribute meaningfully to society. However, education is not just about personal success. It is a force that drives social and economic development. Educated citizens contribute to the progress of their communities and nations. They are more likely to be employed, earn better income, and lead healthier lives. Education reduces poverty, bridges social inequalities, and promote economic growth. But true essence of education lies in its ability to shape character and value. It teaches us empathy, tolerance, and respect for others. Education enables us to understand the best culture, tradition, and belief. In the world that is becoming increasingly interconnected, education fosters unity and peace by encouraging mutual understanding. Education is most important. Millions of children and adults around the world still lack access to quality of education. Barriers such as poverty, gender discrimination, conflict, and lack of resources continue to deprive them of this fundamental right. This is a stark reminder that our work is far from over. Government, organization, and individuals must work together to break this barrier and create opportunity for every child to learn and grow. In conclusion, education is the cornerstone of personal development, social progress, and global harmony. As Nelson Mandela rightly said, education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. Because in the end, the brighter the mind we educate today, the brighter the future we create tomorrow. Thank you for all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Trong đó mà Daniel Longo, Jesu ဖြစ်ပါ